how to fix Telegram video not playing on Android. So if you want to fix your Telegram video not playing on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram application, I just need simply go with a video. Like for example, I have a video which is right here. So as you can see that at the last of the video, we have MP4, which is .mp4, right? So Telegram basically supports most video formats, but the issue could be a compatibility issue with certain file types or encoding. So if possible, you can ask the sender to resend the video in a more common format, like tell them to send it with another format. And after that, you can also try pressing the three dot icon, which will be right here on top of the video, and choose save to downloads or save to gallery. So basically save the video to the downloads, and after that you can go to your downloads application and open the video, and it might open the video or play the video. Hopefully the video will start showing up. So even if the video is not working on the Telegram app, it will definitely work on your basic browser. I mean your basic file browser anyway. But if it's still not working, or if you're facing problem with any other format videos, then we can try the next solution. For that, all you need to do is clear the cache from the Telegram app. So find the Telegram application, tap and hold on to it, and then you'll find the app info section. Tap on the app info. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or the next thing you can try is just go with the control center. On your control center, you will have the airplane mode. Just go and turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and it might fix your problem. Or you can also go with your Play Store. And from your Play Store, you need to search for Telegram. And if you have any updates on your Telegram, you just need simply go and update it. After updating, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.